So it's time again for another exercise. So this project here is going to cover everything that we talked about in the last few videos. So that includes things like the form tag, different types of inputs, including drop-down menus, radio buttons. It also includes validations and labels. So pretty much everything we've talked about. And what you're going to do is combine them to make a registration form for some fake website. So it's going to look like this. A form where a user can go sign up with a name, first name, last name, pick gender, pick an email, password, a birthday with 3 drop-down menus, and a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. So again, a few hints here. These should be text inputs. This should be a password input. This should be an email input. These are radio buttons. These are 3 select tags. This is a checkbox input. And this is a submit input. So there are validations that are required. So first name, last name, and email cannot be blank. They are required. Email must be a valid email address. So that has to follow the correct email format. And there is a bonus here. And this is one that I encourage everyone to try and find. So the point of this is one of our first instances of me asking you to do something that I haven't directly shown you how to do. And as I've said before, this is really what it's like to be a developer. You're tasked with something, you have some idea you want to try, and you have no idea how to do it. So you go online and you do some researching. So the exercise here is to add another validation, a new type that we haven't talked about yet, which is to validate the length of something. And the way it should work, the password that the user types in must be between 5 and 10 characters. Otherwise, we get this error here. So it's another one of these validations. It's just one that we haven't seen yet. So I recommend just pulling up Google and searching away. One quick note, this needs to be in HTML. So if you know JavaScript, no JavaScript allowed. That's considered cheating for this exercise. And then one last thing, the 3 drop-down menus, those need to be select tags. One note though, you do not need to have all the years, all the months, all the days in a month. That's just busy work. I would just get 2 or 3 items in there just so you can see, have the 3 select drop-down menus there. You don't need to worry about filling them though. Okay, so go ahead and get started. If you want to stick around for another moment, I'm just going to give a demo of the actual site now. So again, if I leave everything blank, I need to fill this out. I need to fill in last name, radio button here, email. If I leave it blank, it tells me I need to fill it in. If I don't put a proper email, it gets mad at me. And then password. Has to be filled out. 1 character is not enough. 4 characters not enough. Now if I go to 5 or 6 or whatever this is, I now have enough characters. I have my drop-down menu, pick birthday, I can agree or not agree, and now the form will submit. Okay, so that's it there. Go ahead and attempt this on your own, and then as always, I'll break it down step by step in the next video.